So I did a video a little while back talking about the fact that there was going to be age verification laws introduced into some states, particularly California where I live. And this caused a big issue for Linux because of all the different distros of Linux and the fact that there was going to be a bunch of Linux OSs that, well, were going to be deemed, not legal in California, possibly. But that all changed with some things that happened just recently. Colorado and California age verification bills are exempting open source operating systems. So what this means is Linux, which is an open source operating system, will not have to adhere to age verification laws like a lot of other operating systems out there that will have to do that. So what you're going to see is that the operating systems, and in some cases some other OSs too, not just Linux, that will be exempt from this particular law. This is a good thing for you and me because it's not going to cause us a bunch of headaches when we're trying to get our operating systems for whatever type of thing we're trying to do. Because Linux powers a whole mess of things, including software for routers and software for NAS units and software for PCs if you want to run a PC operating system that runs Linux, some kind of Linux distro. There's hundreds of them available. So this is a good thing for everybody. And I want you to know that I'm just giving you the most up-to-date news on this situation as it's occurring so that you know what's going on. If you like news like this, please leave a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you'd like to see more content like this, little news breaks and news updates for you guys to know about what's happening. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.